Hello everyone and welcome back to the Onyx Automotive YouTube channel, and today you join me on the final episode of this Land Rover Discovery restoration process. In the last episode we gave the vehicle a stage 3 machine polish just to bring that paintwork back to life, and in this episode we're going to be driving our attention to the interior. And then by the end of this episode you're going to see the vehicle from what it was right up until the final stages of this entire process, and the outcome is truly insane. And there you have it, 4 episodes later, the Land Rover Discovery has officially been fully restored. If you remember, literally this time last week, the car came into Onyx Auto Bodies in need of a lot of restoration. The rear bumper was in a big state with a lot of dents, so was the rest of all the bodywork. I'll actually leave a few flashbacks now if you haven't watched the episode. If not, go back and watch it, but I'll give you a quick reminder right now. Check out these clips here. This is literally what the car was looking like last week. It's had a very, very hard life, this car. The lads here at Onyx Auto Bodies and Onyx Automotive have gave it their magic touch, and now the car is looking showroom condition. It's just received a stage 3 machine polish and a full deep clean on the interior. The transition on the seats as well is absolutely insane. But check this out. One more quick look. If you remember, all the wheels were beaten up as well. Even these pillars here, if you remember, were very, very swelled up, even when it came into Onyx Automotive after all the body panels were repaired. If you remember this, if you haven't watched previous episodes, you won't know, but there was a massive dent right here. If you watch the first episode as well, you'll know about the huge dent on this door right here. But now, you'd never know it was even there. I mean, check out the colour of the seats. What a transformation. It's definitely brightened up the car a lot. You might remember all the dents on the front. but now they are non-existent. That is it for this final episode on this restoration series on the Land Rover Discovery. If you do enjoy these restoration videos, make sure you go check out the last one, which was a very special one in fact, the Ford Escort with only 30,000 miles on the clock. I'll leave that down in the description. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel with notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.